I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hardware, open the monitor menu, and note its max HZ, model, and connection type. Once done, switch to the correct cable, DisplayPort or HDMI 2, 0+, because the physical link determines available rates. Next, update your GPU drivers and reboot. This unlocks new modes. Then, open the display settings or your GPU control panel and locate the refresh rate selector. Do these steps immediately. They are prerequisites and the first actionable moves toward increasing your screen refresh rate. You now focus on the core configuration. Set the monitor to its native resolution so timings match, and then pick the highest refresh rate the display and cable support. Once that is set, enable Adaptive Sync, G-Sync or FreeSync, if your GPU and monitor both support it, because it reduces tearing while allowing variable frame delivery. Also check color depth and chroma settings. Higher chroma or deep color can push bandwidth limits and force lower refresh rates. Make these adjustments and test frame stability in a game or motion test. Finish by verifying stability. Run a refresh rate test and play a fast-paced scene to confirm consistent HZ and smooth motion. If you see dropped frames or flicker, make sure the cable meets the required spec and try lowering color depth or chroma sampling, because bandwidth shortages are a common culprit. You can also reset monitor firmware and run a clean GPU driver install. One key troubleshooting tip: replace the cable with a certified high bandwidth model and retest. This often resolves intermittent refresh issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.